iPhone 8 battery replacement. This is my first time doing a short, so let me know how it goes. Remove the screws, open the phone, unscrew the brackets, disconnect the battery, disconnect the display, unscrew the front camera bracket, disconnect the front camera, remove the Taptic engine to make space to pull the battery tabs. So yeah, this is my first time doing a short, so let me know if you liked it down below. Pull the battery tabs. Somehow I managed to break the other 3 pull tabs, so I just used a sponge and some alcohol and it did the trick. Remove the old adhesive. Install the new battery. Put the Taptic engine back. Install some waterproof adhesive. Put the screen back where it came from. And we're done.